Hi, in front of me is Infinix Hot 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, open menu and tap on X theme. Now choose theme and pick the one that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, choose download and apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wanna go back to the default theme, go into settings, choose theme and lock screen, tap on my theme and click on this one. Click apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!